Actually, for me, they're unified na eh. In the sense na lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. That's the basic, broadest basis of unity for all, whether you're in Luneta or EDSA or wherever you are in Bicol. And I don't think there's a difference masyado sa mga demands naman nila eh. So sa akin, if somebody to my right will say, oh, let's not mention anybody who to resign. That's the position. Basta lahat ng sangkot managot ha. Yes. Ikaw naman, you mention Marcos or Duterte or both. Eh, okay lang. Basta lahat ng sangkot managot ha. Yes. O di magkaisa na kami for that. But January, February, March, April, May, yan. Stronger, bigger, larger, and more unified rallies in the offing. So that's what I really hope for. And 2026 will be a good year for the People's Protest Movement.